This is Engage Neutral Snow Foam. It's the perfect snow foam for a well-maintained or a ceramic coated car where only a light cleaning process is required. pH neutral, so it's not going to degrade any of the protection. The smell, superb. Rhubarb fragrance in there. Do it in 3 different sizes: 500ml, a litre and 5 litre. I'm going to show you how to use it now. So how much do you actually need to use? We're going to add 100ml of Engage into 400ml of water in your dual snow foam lance. That'll comfortably do a couple of cars, so you know, dilute appropriately for the size of the car you're cleaning. So as you can see, it dwells for a really long time, so it's perfect for all your brushwork in and around the door edges and the window seals. So as I said before, Engage is perfect for maintaining ceramic coatings. If you're looking for a product with a bit more kick in terms of cleaning power, I recommend you take a look at our other snow foam, which is called a salt. That's an alkaline solution and much more suited to heavier cleaning.